Have you ever thought about making money from home using AI? Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence is not just a sci-fi concept, but a reality that's reshaping the way we work and live. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that leverages AI to create a profitable side hustle without leaving your home. We'll explore how you can generate income by creating YouTube videos using AI tools without the need for subscribers or monetization. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make money from home using AI. You might be wondering, what is AI and how can it help me make money? Well, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even creative tasks like video creation. In the realm of video creation, AI can be your secret weapon. It can automate many tasks that would traditionally require hours of manual work. Imagine this: you provide a simple prompt or instruction, and the AI takes over, generating your script, creating scenes, adding music, voiceovers, and fine-tuning everything according to your command. And that's not all. AI is capable of creating videos on a wide range of topics in less than 5 minutes, without you needing to record or edit any footage. It's like having your personal video production team, available around the clock, and all at your fingertips. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can make money using AI. Now, let's talk about the tools that will make this possible. Let's begin with VidIQ. This is more than just a tool, it's your secret weapon in the vast world of YouTube. VidIQ is a comprehensive solution that gives you the power to understand the magic behind successful videos. It offers a robust set of features, including video SEO tools and keyword research capabilities. These tools help you discover what people are searching for, the popularity of your topic, and the trending videos in your niche. This data is your key to getting more views and placing your videos in front of more eyeballs. But how do you create these videos? That's where InVideo AI comes into play. InVideo AI is a revolutionary tool that uses advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to automate video creation tasks. It's like having your personal video production team, but without the high costs and time-consuming processes. You simply tell it what you want in plain English, and it gets to work. The AI video generator can turn a simple prompt into a ready-to-publish video on any topic in under 5 minutes. And the best part? You don't need to record or edit your footage. InVideo AI offers a high degree of flexibility and customization. You can adjust the generated video, change the script, edit media, or instruct the AI directly to improve the video's quality. This tool simplifies the video creation process, making it easy for anyone, even beginners, to produce engaging videos efficiently. Remember, you can create up to 4 videos a week for free with InVideo AI. So, why not sign up for an account today and start experimenting? You'll find the link in the video description. In summary, VidIQ helps you understand what your audience wants, and InVideo AI helps you deliver it in a compelling video format. These tools do most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the fun part, creating content and watching your channel grow. These tools will do most of the work for you, making it easy for anyone to start creating videos. Ready to get started? Here's how to sign up and start using these tools. First, let's sign up for VidIQ. Simply go to the VidIQ website and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your Google account or by providing your email address. Once you've entered your details, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to activate your account. Now, you're all set to begin exploring the powerful features of VidIQ. Next, let's move on to InVideo AI. Again, head over to the InVideo AI website and click on Sign Up. You can sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you've confirmed your account, you're ready to start creating videos. Now that you're signed up, let's briefly go over how to use these tools to create a video. In VidIQ, you start by conducting keyword research. This tool helps you identify popular search terms related to your video topic. Simply enter your topic in the search bar, and VidIQ will provide you with a list of related search terms. These terms can help you optimize your video content to attract more views. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to create your video with InVideo AI. Start by providing a prompt or an instruction for the AI. This could be as simple as a single sentence. The AI then gets to work, generating your script, creating scenes, adding music, and even providing a voiceover. You can tweak any element of the video to your liking. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the better the AI will be able to create a video that meets your expectations. If you want to add affiliate links to your video description, you can do so at any time. This can be a great way to earn commissions from your videos. Once you've signed up and familiarized yourself with the tools, you're ready to start creating videos. Now that you're all set up, let's create your first video. The heart and soul of InVideo AI is its ability to understand and act on your prompts. So what's a prompt? It's a simple instruction or idea given to the AI to kickstart the video creation process. For example, your prompt could be something like, create a short video about the cutest dog breeds. Detailed prompts generally yield better results, so don't be afraid to be specific. Once you've decided on your prompt, it's time to input it into the InVideo AI interface. The AI will then get to work, generating a script, creating scenes, and adding music and voiceovers. But you're not just a spectator in this process. You're the director, and you can make adjustments as you see fit. Don't like a particular scene? Change it. Want to tweak the script? Go right ahead. You can also instruct the AI directly to improve the video's quality. The power is in your hands. Remember, this AI tool is designed to simplify the video creation process, but it also offers flexibility. So, feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. You might be surprised at what you can accomplish. InVideo AI also allows you to reference web articles to create scripts. This feature can be a game changer, especially if you're creating content on a topic you're not entirely familiar with. Simply find a relevant article, input the URL, and the AI will generate a script based on the content. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to download and prepare for upload to YouTube. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Try to aim for at least 4 videos a week. InVideo AI even allows you to create this many videos for free. So there you have it, folks. You're now a bona fide content creator, ready to share your work with the world. And the best part? You did it all from the comfort of your own home, without needing any fancy equipment or software. Congratulations on creating your first video. But we're not done yet. You've created a video, but how do you make money from it? Well, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's a brilliant way to monetize your videos. This marketing strategy allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. And the best part? You don't need to have your product or service to start earning. Now, where do you find these products to promote? There are plenty of affiliate programs out there, but for beginners, we recommend starting with Amazon Affiliate and ClickBank. These platforms offer a vast array of products and services you can link to in your video descriptions. Here's how it works. When you sign up for these programs, you're provided with unique affiliate links for their products. You then add these links to the description of your YouTube videos. When viewers click on these links and make a purchase, you get a share of the profits. It's that simple. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing products that are relevant to your videos. For instance, if you've created a video about gardening tips, you might link to gardening tools or books on Amazon. This way, you're providing value to your viewers, and they're more likely to click on your links. You don't have to wait until you have thousands of subscribers to start earning. With affiliate marketing, you can start earning money from your videos right away. So, are you ready to start making money from home using AI? Let's recap the steps. First, we learned about the power of AI and how it can simplify video creation. We explored tools like VidiQ for keyword research and InVideo AI for video creation. You saw how easy it is to sign up and get started. And we walked through creating your first video, from providing a simple prompt to fine-tuning the final product. We also discussed how to monetize your videos with affiliate marketing, turning your AI-created content into a source of income. This method is perfect for beginners, available worldwide, and the best part is, you don't need any specific number of subscribers to start earning. So, why not give it a try? The world of AI video creation is waiting for you. Don't wait any longer. Start creating and monetizing your own videos today. Before we conclude, Don't forget to take advantage of the resources we've mentioned. You can find the links to the tools we've discussed, such as VidiQ and InVideo AI, in the video description below. These tools can help you kickstart your journey in the world of AI-powered video creation. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. We regularly share insightful videos on how to make money from home, leveraging the power of technology. Your support helps us continue creating helpful content for you in the community, so hit that subscribe button and join us in this exciting journey. Thank you for spending your time with us today, and we hope you're ready to start your AI-powered side hustle. Remember, the world of AI video creation is waiting for you. Happy video creating and monetizing!